Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Xiaomi Redmi 6A, let's go for the Play Store. Tap on the search and type here Opera Mini. Click on the install. And in a few moments I'm going to show you how this browser works. They got partnership with the AdBlock Plus, so you don't have to connect any external application to block ads. Let's open it right now. Click on the continue 2 times. And right now, for example, we can enter the website. Just wait a little bit. Okay, let's enter the BBC News. No thanks. Click here on the OK. Yes, we agree. And right now, when we click right here, you will find how many ads were blocked, and in this time is 0. So let's reload the website. And it's still 0, so it looks like we don't have any ads on this website. So let's enter other one, maybe this one. Okay, maybe here we can find the ads. And yes, right here we get the notifications that the first ads were blocked. And this is how it works. It's really cool. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.